The growing demand for mechanical keyboards reflects how typists and gamers alike value tactile feedback, durability, and customizable layouts. This guide dives into what makes a great keyboard, evaluating switch types, build quality, layout, and overall value to help you choose the right one for your needs. Below, we review the best portable carpet cleaners that deliver powerful performance in a compact, easy-to-carry package. List number: BISSELL Little Green Max Pet Smart Mix Portable Carpet and Upholstery Deep Cleaner Car Auto Detailer. The BISSELL Little Green Max Pet Smart Mix is a premium choice for pet owners who face stubborn stains and pet messes regularly. Its Smart Mix technology automatically dispenses the right amount of cleaning formula, ensuring efficient deep cleaning on carpets, rugs, and upholstery. Despite its compact design, it packs powerful suction and an extra-large dirty water tank, reducing the need for frequent refills. The included specialized pet tools and car detailer attachments make it versatile for every mess, from muddy paw prints to spilled drinks in your car. Users praise its ease of use, strong cleaning performance, and how lightweight it is, making it easy to carry around. If you're looking for a portable solution tailored specifically for pet messes, this is a solid investment. List number 2. BISSELL Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner, Car and Auto Detailer. The BISSELL Little Green Multi-Purpose is a household favorite thanks to its balance of performance, price, and portability. This unit excels at cleaning small spots and spills quickly, thanks to its strong spray and powerful suction that lifts embedded dirt effectively. It comes with a flexible hose, tough stain tool, and car detailer nozzle, making it perfect for cleaning car interiors, rugs, upholstery, and even stairs. The tank is easy to fill and empty, while the compact body makes it convenient to store. Many users appreciate that it's simple to operate and delivers professional quality cleaning for a fraction of the cost of hiring cleaners. If you want an affordable, lightweight cleaner that doesn't compromise on results, the BISSELL Little Green Multi-Purpose is a dependable choice. List 3. Shark Stainstriker Portable Carpet, Upholstery, and Area Rug Cleaner. Bonus XL tool and full-size cleaning solution. The Shark Stainstriker combines innovative technology with exceptional convenience, making it a strong contender in the portable carpet cleaner category. Its unique Stainstriker technology tackles even the toughest set-in stains by delivering dual-acting formulas that penetrate deeply into fibers. The powerful suction ensures moisture and dirt are lifted away effectively. It comes with a bonus XL cleaning tool and a full-size bottle of cleaning solution, offering added value out of the box. Users commend its ability to handle both fresh and old stains, as well as its user-friendly design. It's slightly larger than some of its competitors, but remains easy to move and store. List number: BISSELL Little Green Max Pet Portable Carpet and Upholstery Deep Cleaner, Car Auto Detailer. This BISSELL Little Green Max Pet non-smart mix delivers powerful deep cleaning results in a compact package designed for pet owners. Featuring a strong spray and suction combo, it's excellent at lifting pet hair, dirt, and stubborn stains from carpets, upholstery, and even car interiors. The extra-large tank capacity is great for larger jobs, and the pet tools make it especially effective for removing pet-related messes. Users love how lightweight and intuitive it is, with a straightforward setup and easy maintenance. Its compact size and onboard storage for tools ensure it doesn't take up much space when not in use. If you want reliable performance, designed with pets in mind, without extra bells and whistles, this BISSELL cleaner is an excellent choice. List number 5. BISSELL Little Green Hydrosteam Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. For those looking for advanced cleaning technology, the BISSELL Little Green Hydrosteam stands out with its hydrosteam technology. It combines heated steam and cleaning solution for even deeper penetration and stain removal. The heat helps loosen grime and kills germs, while the powerful suction extracts dirt and moisture efficiently. This model is versatile, great for carpets, rugs, upholstery, car seats, and even mattresses. Many users appreciate the noticeable difference the steam feature makes compared to regular cleaners. It's slightly heavier than non-steam models, but still compact and easy to handle. If you want maximum cleaning power with the added sanitizing benefits of steam, the BISSELL Hydrosteam is a fantastic option.